Welcome back. Let's do this question. In triangle ABC, A is 43 degrees, angle C is 70 degrees, and AB is produced to D. Calculate the size of X. Now, if you check, X is an exterior angle. And then we say that an exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So the interior opposite angles are angle A and angle C. So if we add angle A and angle C, we'll get X. Let's just do that. We have X is equal to 70 degrees plus 43 degrees, and then the reason exterior angle of triangle. Right? Don't forget the reason is always statement and reason. Then we can add 70 plus 43. What is it? X is equal to 113 degrees. Do we have an alternative method? Yes, we have. We can start by finding this interior angle, which is angle ABC. Right, let's just do that. Right, let's find angle ABC. So angle A plus angle ABC plus angle C must give us 180 degrees because these are interior angles of a triangle. So we're saying angle A plus angle ABC plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees, sum of angles in triangle, right? So we say 43 plus angle ABC plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, right? So and then we can subtract 43 degrees on both sides of the equation. So we subtract 43 degrees here. We also subtract 70 degrees. Also subtract 70 degrees here. And then becomes angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 43 degrees minus 70 degrees. We'll get what? We'll get 67 degrees. So it means this one is 67 degrees. Let me use this space up here. So if we check, angle X and angle ABC are adjacent angles on a straight line. So you can say X plus 67 degrees is equal to 180 degrees because they are adjacent angles on a straight line. And then we can say therefore X is equal to 180 degrees minus 67 degrees. So X is equal to 113 degrees.